Hey, you, welcome back. It's Jyoti. Kya chal raha hai? Kya chal raha hai? I am recording on OBS. I just need to announce that to the world because I have figured it. If you missed my live stream, what were you doing? Why were you not there? We had fun, I think. I had fun. I don't know, how to be honest. If you had fun, then comment below. Live OP. But I had fun and it's gonna happen more often. So बहुत जल्द हम album listening session करेंगे live stream पे, which I've been wanting to do for years now. It's just easier to consume a project like that, isn't it? So वो करेंगे and we will do special streams with special things. Like one day I'll just do a stream for indie artists, only indie music. One day we'll do a session for um, I don't know, just Punjabi songs, right? So we'll do it like that, and there'll be a focused thing for each live stream. And so hit the subscribe button now and the bell icon or whatever that stuff is that helps you keep track because I will be posting about this in the community posts and stuff. But yes, right now we are here. In case you missed my Unpopular Opinions episode with Rohan, go watch that. In that, he recommended this song to me. And like I was saying to him as well, Prathamesh is one of my favoriteest, guys on the block right now. I think the guy can do no wrong. Or, let me not jinx it. I think he's a brilliant artist. Bus. Ab ye Gana, 2 weeks ago it was released. And let me quickly see what the blurb says. May 5th. Okay, I'm recording this on the 25th of May, so it's been 3 weeks. Emerging from the unapologetic streets of Nagpur, Prathamesh steps in with a statement that refuses to be ignored. Rooted in the city's raw, fearless spirit, this track captures a mindset that thrives on risk, ambition, and an unshaken belief in claiming one's place, no matter the odds. Claiming one's place no matter the odds. Backed by a hard-hitting production from Mumbai-based producer Teja, the soundscape perfectly complements the grit and confidence in Prathamesh's performance. Lovely. Okay, produced by Teja, performed and written by Prathamesh, mixed and mastered by Premium, and directed and edited by Exception. Okay, okay, cool. Let's get right into it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on. I forget I have to change the scene in thing. 1, 2, 3, play.
That's it. Damn, son. Did they? NMC.
Oh man. God damn, son. No, is Nagpur taking over or what? What is happening? Seems the boys from the city can't do no wrong. This was, god damn, we're gonna have to go over the lyrics. We are gonna have to go over the lyrics. Just pray you don't clash into us while walking through that shopping mall. Naam Sujal ka, yeah. And the NGP gang be crazy. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. What is up with Nagpur, man? Is taking over the scene. Is it leaving the other scenes behind, like Delhi, Dehradun? I'm not trying to, I'm not trying to create some controversy, but I'm just saying. I'm just saying. What is up with that city? Prathamesh walked so that Sujal could run. Now they fly the whole city. Chalo. Good. Good to see another city taking over the scene slowly. Let me quickly pull up the lyrics. Hena. We must. No, no one has contributed this song ka lyrics to Genius. ठीक है, let's just okay. This is Shazam. Alright. Let me show. I think since this is OBS that I'm recording on, I can show you guys the lyrics. It's a first, man. Yes, you guys can see what I'm reading. मैं हर हफ्ता सरस तू पलंग पे मलंग और पलंग पे पनपता खटमल ही मैं बादल जो बरसता गलत ये पल्ब था अलग तो चमक से चल पड़ी यहाँ जो भी कलपता मर्द वो हलक तक कलंक और करम से मतलबी देता नहीं कतभी लौंडों के रास्ते लगा दूं यहाँ मैं लगता ओके देन मैं हर हफ्ता सरस ओके देन दैट्स अ रिपीट वो हलक तक कलंक और करम से मतलब ये लौंडों के रास्ते लगा दूं यहाँ मैं लगता कौन तू डॉली के टप्पी पे टाइम पास कर वी बॉलिन और छपरी भी क्राइम पार्टनर मेरे होमी भी थकरे नहीं ग्राइंड मार कर बता कौन सी के लखमे की हाइप आजकल व्हाट इज लखमे कौन सी के लखमे की हाइप आजकल उड़े लांछन तेरे कूड़ेदान पर या पे पड़े दामबर तेरे बुरे काम पर आई नो इट ऑल अभी बनू ज्ञान चंद अभी करूँ कैंसिल तेरी भरी संसद गैरों को करूँ नहीं ज्यादा पास तेरे चरित्र पे लगा काला दाग करूँ खटिया खड़ी लगू बाला साहब ओ कटोरे में दूध आगे काला सांप अब कहती सी दीदी की एनजीपी सिटी के ओजी हो तुम कितनी ओके वो फैन है मिली थी हाँ रक्षा भी की थी फिर मिलके वो कहती कि फौजी हो तुम वी ऑलवेज हैव टू टॉक अबाउट सम गर्ल हु वाज अ फैन मतलब फैन होना भी अब वो हो गया रिस्की कि अब कहीं पे हमारा किसी तरीके से कोई टाइप मेंशन हो जाएगा व्हाट द ओके सो where we इशारे तो दी थी बिगाड़े छवि भी बेचारा कभी कहता दो जी हुकुम बेबी को अब चाहिए बेबी है रोज ही सुकून है नी गोपी वो लोकी बहू व्हाट इज दैट मीन गोपी माँ ने अगले दिन हाथों में सौंपी शगुन कहते लड़की लड़के से मिल रहे 100 गुण ओके दिस लाइक फ्लो एंड स्कीम हियर वाज लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ फन छोड़ा तो छोड़ा सब छोड़ी छिछोरी मैं बंदा कमीना वो भोली why must we refer to people like this? It's just ugh. Can't you just be nice to each other? Is my question to people. Just why? And forget rappers, even normal guys I hear referring to girls with these kind of words. Like doesn't make you cool at all. It's just very lame and unclassy. Anyway, okay. तंबा तू समझा ये सोने की कोठी को लग गई अब भीड़ हमने खोली तिजोरी जो नाइस तांबा तू समझा ये सोने की कोठी को ढंग से मैं बात कर रहा फायदा मत उठा पावर ये देख के यहाँ सैतमा झुका मैं दादर से निकला था बाइकला रुका यहाँ क्लेम करे शहर को कौन अगाड़ा लुकआउट मैं वही अरमानी ब्लू जिसे परवाह नहीं क्यों देता हर बार ही तलवार ही मरवाली क्यों मैं हूँ धनवान तो है तेरा बलमा नहीं कूल मेरा म्यूजिक सो डीप लेता ओके हुडीज है नीज तक तो सलवार ही कहूँ सारे ब्रोडीज तमीज से अब चलवारे क्रू, यहाँ पे शोबिज में पीस नहीं तो झगड़ा ही लूं, मेरा तलवा ही चूम बड़ा कड़वा है खून। गॉड डैम, फलक तक ये चूम लेगा लक अब बैंगर सो हाई कि तू छू भी नहीं सका, हैंडफुल ऑफ गाइस इनके मुंह भी नहीं लगा। इग्नोरेंस ऑफ ब्लिस, तेरा मुंह बने वजह इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज़, मेरा मूड ही नहीं बना। इट वॉज जस्ट अ फेस गॉट थ्रू इट है गवा, आई एम द ओजी द प्लान पे रोज थी, यहाँ ले सकता अपनी कोई पूकी नहीं जगह। पूकीज आर नाइस, मैं हर हफ्ता सरस तू पलंग पे मलंग और ओके मैं लगता पिट करी। Okay, nice, nice. I like it. Some of these lines I don't love. You all know my feelings about this stuff in rap, and I will never be for it. I still think it's very, very, very unnecessary to adopt that aspect of the culture. Because it's just uncool. Doesn't matter if it happens there or it comes here and seeps into the way we talk to each other. It's just uncool everywhere. And yeah, about Prathamesh, damn son, super friggin' mad fun he is. But I have to say that, I feel like Nam Sujal, him, Hardbone, and Vichar, all these guys, uh, one really wonders, no, that they saw probably, Raftar, Krishna, and others doing their thing for so long, picked up all the technicalities of the game and the thing. And of course, they had other influences as well, not Indian ones only. But the way they have really just taken the craft to new heights in the country and are like, you know what, y'all set the scene and now watch us do our own thing with it and create our own sort of brand of it. I love that. I love that. I think we can think more deeply about. Um, and I know a few. I know I won't name them, but I know which artists agree with me because every time I bring it up, I have conversations with them offline, and they actually आगे से message करते हैं कि liked what you said about this particular thing and wish to see that change in the scene, etc., etc. But ठीक है, अब वो conversations I will not repeat, but I know that there are certain things about how the scene is evolving city by city, and all the different scenes from north to south, east to west are all coming together to create one big brand of Indian hip hop. And I feel that that brand can be very classy and very, very sonically brilliant and technically brilliant at the same time. The two things are not mutually exclusive, and I think I just have a wish that artists think about that, because now in this first decade of Indian hip hop becoming a mainstream thing is when the sort of the benchmarks and I won't say there are any rules, but yeah, you know what I mean, like the rules of the game get set and the lines get drawn and all of that happens. So anyway, I'm going to end this here. Love the track, super fun. And Nagpur is definitely blowing up, man. What are all the other cities doing? I'm just trying to light some competitive fire here. Nothing else. Just like what's happening Dehradun, what's happening Delhi. What are you guys doing? Nagpur's gonna take over. Chalo, let me know your thoughts. Hit the subscribe button, help the channel out, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.